ለስራ ኢንተርቪው ስታደርጉ ኢንተርቪወሩ ማወቅ የሚፈልገው አንድና አንድ ነገር ነው። እናንተ እዚህ ስራ ላይ ገብታችሁ ያለንን ችግር ትፈቱልናላችሁ ወይ? እናንተ ኢንተርቪው ላይ በደንብ ስኮር ለማድረግ ከፈለጋችሁ ማድረግ ያለባችሁ አንድና አንድ ነገር ነው። እሱም understanding the problem, the role that you are applying for, the role that you are interviewing for is solving and making sure that you know how to solve that problem. እሱን ኢንተርቪዋችሁ ላይ መመለስ ከቻላችሁ እሱን ማስረዳት ከቻላችሁ you are going to get the job. አንቺ እንዴት ታውቂያለሽ? ለምን እንደዚህ ብለሽ አንቺ የምትነግሪንን ለምን እኛ እንስማ ብላችሁ ልትጠይቁኝ ትችላላችሁ። That's okay. Not only have I landed multiple jobs at the toughest markets, 2020 like last year, this year, I've also helped 39 Ethiopians land a corporate job in America this year only. So I know what I'm talking about. So when I tell you, you better listen. When I tell you, you better take notes because what I say has value. Okay, guys. If you want to talk more, link in bio. Free resume template and then I have my calendar open there for you as well. Bye.